The Thermasonic Gel Warmer Multi-Bottle 120 volts is a game-changer in the world of ultrasound imaging. With its powerful heating element, this device ensures that your gel is uniformly heated to the perfect temperature every time. The microprocessor control maintains a constant temperature, giving you peace of mind during procedures. Plus, the thermal cutoff feature provides protection from overheating, so you can focus on your patients without worry. The EEC320C14 receptacle and hospital-grade plug and power cord make this gel warmer safe and reliable for use in medical settings. Its high-density, impact-resistant composite construction ensures durability and longevity. With adjustable temperature settings for multi-bottle units and an illuminated power on or off switch, this device is user-friendly and efficient. Say goodbye to inconsistent gel temperatures and hello to the Thermasonic Gel Warmer Multi-Bottle 120 volts. Its low electrical demand and UL listing to Canadian safety standards make it a must-have for any medical facility.